Welcome back to Auto Gear Hub. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue. Ferrari's first ever SUV, or as they prefer to call it, a four-door sports car. This is a machine that blends performance, luxury, and practicality in a way only Ferrari can. So let's dive right in and see if the Purosangue lives up to the legendary prancing horse badge. At first glance, the Purosangue is unmistakably Ferrari. It doesn't look like your typical bulky SUV. Instead, it's sleek, aggressive, and aerodynamic. The front fascia is sharp and sculpted, featuring Ferrari's signature grille design with air intake seamlessly integrated into the bodywork. The headlights are slim and sit high on the fenders, resembling the ones found on the SF90. The hood is long and muscular, hinting at the powerful engine underneath. Moving along the side, the sloping roofline gives it a coupe-like silhouette, while the sculpted lines enhance its dynamic stance. And then there's the rear. Bold and aggressive, featuring a quad exhaust setup, a pronounced diffuser, and taillights that echo Ferrari's modern design language. The Purosangue sits on massive wheels, up to 23 inches, giving it a commanding road presence. Ferrari has managed to craft an SUV that not only stands out but also stays true to its racing DNA. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that perfectly blends sportiness with luxury. The cockpit is driver-fenkered with a layout similar to the SF90 and Roma. There's no central touchscreen. Instead, Ferrari keeps it pure with a fully digital instrument cluster and a separate display for the passenger. The steering wheel is loaded with controls, including the signature Manettino dial, allowing you to switch between different driving modes. The center console is minimalistic yet premium, featuring a floating bridge design with a unique gear selector. The seats are sporty yet incredibly comfortable, wrapped in the finest leather and Alcantara, with carbon fiber and aluminum accents throughout. One of the biggest surprises is the rear seating area. Unlike traditional SUVs with a bench seat, the Purosangue features two individual rear seats, offering premium comfort with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. The rear-hinged suicide doors add a touch of elegance and make entering and exiting effortless. Despite its sporty focus, Ferrari has ensured that the Purosangue is practical enough for daily driving, with ample legroom and a decent-sized cargo area. Now, let's talk about what makes this Ferrari truly special: the performance. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing a mind-blowing 715 horsepower and 528 lb-ft of torque. This beast revs all the way up to 8,250 RPM, delivering that signature Ferrari symphony. Power is sent to all four wheels via an advanced all-wheel drive system, but unlike traditional AWD setups, this one is rear-biased, maintaining the brand's signature driving dynamics. The Purosangue rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.3 seconds and has a top speed of over 190 mph. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission is lightning fast, ensuring seamless gear changes. Ferrari has equipped it with a sophisticated suspension system featuring active dampers, which continuously adjust to road conditions, providing an incredibly balanced ride. Despite being an SUV, the Purosangue handles like a proper Ferrari, with razor-sharp steering and incredible agility, making it a true driver's machine. Of course, all this performance and luxury come at a price. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue starts at around $400,000, but with customization options, that price can easily climb higher. Ferrari's personalization program allows buyers to spec their Purosangue with bespoke paint finishes, unique interior trims, and even custom stitching. But here's the catch: Ferrari is keeping production limited to maintain exclusivity, meaning getting your hands on one won't be easy. So, is the Purosangue worth it? If you want an SUV that offers Ferrari-level performance, exclusivity, and luxury, then absolutely. It's not just another high-performance SUV, it's a true Ferrari in every sense, combining speed, elegance, and practicality like never before. Let us know in the comments, is the Purosangue the ultimate luxury SUV, or would you pick something else? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. See you next time on Auto Gear Hub.